A new request from the IRS. The agency is now asking that you wait to file your taxes because it turns out they may want to tax payments that you received from the state rebate checks that Georgia sent out last year. 11 Alive's John Schierick has what you need to know tonight.
The IRS waiting until after the start of tax filing season to tell taxpayers in Georgia, stop, don't file your taxes yet. All because the IRS never got around to deciding if those state tax rebate checks issued last year in Georgia should be subject to federal taxes.
It is pretty frustrating.
Jonathan Levins of Moore Colson CPA in Atlanta says the uncertainty is impacting tax filers in Georgia and at least 17 other states that issued state tax rebates last year. So at his firm,
we're going to hold off on filing any individual returns for the time being unless there is a real true kind of economic need for that person to file as quickly as possible.
Such as if they need their refund fast. Then later, if the IRS does decide to tax last year's state rebate checks,
I think that's where you're going to have to evaluate potentially filing an amended income tax return.
The Georgia Department of Revenue is not offering any guidance to Georgia taxpayers until the IRS decides what to do.
The IRS expects to decide within a week or two whether to impose federal taxes on those state refund checks.